Hemocytometer with improved Neubauer Counting Chamber. Hemocytometer is an instrument used for counting the cells in blood or fluid. It consists of a special instrument called the counting chamber, cover glass, pipettes for diluting the blood, rubber tube with plastic mouthpiece for drawing blood or fluid in pipette. The blood is diluted with appropriate known volume of diluting fluid, and then counting is done by using the hemocytometer. Improved Neubauer counting chamber is a thick glass slide, the center of which has a double ruling area separated by troughs. It is a thick crystal slide with dimensions of 30 into 70 millimeters and 4 millimeters thickness. The central part where the counting grid has been set is where cell counts are performed. The chamber has two counting areas that can be loaded independently. Each counting grid is 3 into 3 millimeters in size. The grid has 9 square subdivisions of width 1 millimeter. The 9 main squares of the counting chamber are delimited by 4 lines. The frame of the counting chamber consists of 9 large squares, each with a 1 millimeter square area. The squares placed at the 4 corners are used for white cell counting. Since their concentration is lower than the red blood cells, a larger area is required to perform the cell count. The large central square, which can be seen in its entirety with the 10x objective, is divided into 25 medium squares, which can be seen with the 40x objective. Each one of the 25 central squares is subdivided in 16 small squares. Therefore, the central square is made of 400 small squares. The central square is used for platelets and red blood cell counting. Glass cover. A special cover glass is used which has a very smooth flattened surface and even thickness. It is a squared glass of width 22 millimeters. The glass cover is placed on top of the Neubauer chamber, covering the central area. The glass cover leaves room for the cell concentration between the bottom of the chamber and the cover itself. The chamber is designed so that the distance between the bottom of the chamber and the cover is 0.1 millimeters.